Hey, welcome back to another video. If you are looking to get your products listed, maybe your inventory listed on Amazon, just some pros and cons we'll discuss very quickly in this video, but it is generally a very fast process, all right? So I'll be talking about just the steps involved and on this video, and I'll be back with you in a second. So don't go anywhere, we'll be back in a second. Good to have you guys back. So the process to getting your products, maybe it's currently in store right now, maybe you currently have the products on inventory. How do you go about getting those on Amazon Australia, right? Or even for that matter, Amazon USA. Very easy, in fact. The steps are quite easy, all right? So first of all, you have to document which are your best seller products. Which products are you most likely to list first? What ones, when your shop was open, right, or your e-commerce store was open, what products sold the most? What 10, 50, 100 products, 200 products sold the most? You then identify out of those products what ones will be the best fit for Amazon, okay? So then you take stock of those particular products, and you got to make sure also it's worth your time, because there is fees involved in listing on Amazon. Amazon do take a 15% cut out of your profits because they are essentially finding the audience for you, all right? So take that into consideration. You don't want to be selling $3 rubber bands. You want to be selling something $10, $20, $30, $50, $100, $200, $300, $500. I mean, we've got clients that sell things for $700 on Amazon, all right? So, but you want to be making money. Don't forget there are fees involved in selling on Amazon, all right? So identify which product you want to list on Amazon. The next step is basically get the listing up. You need to write copy, headlines, bullet points, description, work out the keywords. You need to do graphical images, infographics, right? You need good images to sell. Images speak 1,000 words. Videos speak like more, right? So you can even have videos potentially on your listing, all right? So have the images put there, right? You need the listing uploaded. You need a barcode, a UPC, Universal Product Code, right, inserted in there as well. If you are fulfilling via an Amazon warehouse, you've got to store your products in the warehouse. But if you're filling by yourself, an FBM, fulfilled by merchant, then you can store it in your shop, in your garage. You can store it pretty much anywhere, right? And as orders come in from Amazon, you can send them out. And so we actually have a business where we list your products for you. If you're looking for someone who actually knows what they're doing, and we do listings every single day, we can come in and basically take everything that needs to be done and do it for your top 10, 20, 30 products, or even 5 products, right? There's no minimums, no maximums, and we can come in and list these products for you, and we will handle everything for you, right? If you want to store it at the Amazon warehouse in Sydney or Melbourne, we can sort that out for you. If you want to store it in your shop or another warehouse, or maybe in your garage, we can basically organize still the listing for you. We do the images, the listing, the copy, the keyword research. We basically handle all of that stuff for you, even the barcoding, if you want to put barcode labels on the particular product. And then, of course, management of your campaign. So once your product is up and running, who goes about managing that for you? So I've got a big team behind us that do that for you. We are Australian based. We service Australian and New Zealand clients. I would love to work with you. Our number's on the screen below. You can give us a call in the office, 02 8003 7534. Have a fantastic day, and talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.